Your car is your second biggest investment, so it's important that you would protect the exterior of your car to maintain that showroom shine for the life of the car. And it's surprisingly easy to do so with new finish car polish. If you remember the new finish commercials that take a junkyard car and make it look like new again, here's how you can achieve the same results on a new or used car. First, you want to remove all the surface dirt and contaminants from your car's finish. Wash your car with a professional car wash product that is safe for your car's finish, like New Finish Car Wash. Don't use dishwashing detergent. Dry your car completely. The best time to apply your car polish is during the day, not in the evening when dew will start to form. Next, apply New Finish Car Polish to one section at a time with a clean terry cloth towel in a circular motion like this. New Finish is safe for all car finishes, including clear coat finishes. Let New Finish dry to a haze as you apply car polish to another section. Go back to the previous area while that area is left to dry to a haze, and remove the haze with a separate, clean, dry terry cloth towel. Note that you can apply New Finish car polish in direct sunlight, which is unlike conventional car polishes. You can polish the entire car in less than 30 minutes. New Finish car polish will last a whole year. And keep in mind that New Finish liquid car polish and New Finish paste car polish will yield similar results, but with a different form of applying the product itself. New Finish paste is a soft paste, so it's much easier to apply than the traditional hard paste waxes that contain wax. Car waxes will break down quickly because they are not made with long-lasting zinc cross-linking technology that makes New Finish unique. New Finish doesn't contain any wax, but an advanced blend of silicone emulsions that will add a protective layer that is unmatched by any other polish or wax on the market today. Your car will look showroom new, and you will see the results by watching the water bead for 52 weeks. New Finish has been a leader in the industry for several decades, for a reason, and you will be surprised at how easy it is to polish your car, as it has been for millions over the years.